Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. So today I'm using a 12 by 24 inch canvas, which is the same size I used in the previous video. I'll just run through the colors very quickly. So I have this navy blue, which is a mixture of a little bit of black and my Fado blue. Well, it's not mine. So this is Atelier. You can find the links down below for all the paint. And I'm using the Deco Art Amethyst. So that's the amethyst there, very beautiful. And this pink, which I keep using, is the Acrylic as well. I think that's how you pronounce it, Atelier, and that's the Brilliant Magenta. I also have the Deco Art Metallic Pewter. Now with that colour you need to be really careful and not overdo it, because it tends to take over like the gold. And then the Vermilion Orange, which is also beautiful, and the green is quite bright actually. I quite like that. So I've gone ahead and covered it in white paint, and let's see, we'll be flipping paint again today. See what magic we'll get. So I'm just laying down some of this really dark blue, navy blue. And I might go in with it, maybe just a little bit of white. And then some pewter. I actually really like this green. I'm not a fan of green, but I do like it's like a fluorescent green. Decisions. Again, you know, I don't want to overdo it with paint. I'd rather have less. I actually like the minimalist look. To me, that does more for me, for my eye. Comment below, you know, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the whole canvas covered, or do you prefer like the minimalist look? Go in with this beautiful purple. It's actually amethyst. And that orange. So some of these colors are actually very overpowering. I think for now I might just leave it at that. So all my colors except for the metallics. The metallics are mixed. 1 part Floetrol to 1 part paint, and all the rest of them are mixed. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Now I'm just wondering if I'm going to need the big one. We'll probably start with the big one first. at those colours, these cells popping up. In my white, I do have a teeny bit of the Deco Art Satin Enamel. Right, so I think now I want to do this. I might just put a little bit of this white down again, seems as my canvas is showing. There's some gorgeous things happening here. Look at all those cells there, no silicone. Right. Oh. You've got to be careful of this. The canvas just disappears on you. I've got to remember to hold the canvas. I do want to try and get some of this off. I don't know if it's going to come off that. These silicone things seem to hold the paint quite firmly on. Put that aside, otherwise we'll be here all day. Let's get all of that out the way. Okay. Look at that there. That's gorgeous. I'd like to be able to get it off the canvas, off here, but I think if I touch it, it's going to ruin it. Let's see if we can put some down here. Well, actually, that's what we're going to get off, unfortunately. Right, I'm going to give this a torch, and then we'll see what else we can get from this. Now I know that there's a lot of paint in here, so see all the red that's popping up there as well. Not much happened there. Yeah, quite like that. Sorry if I'm sniffing, guys. I seem to have a bit of an allergy towards all of the pollen. It is spring here now. So these little suction things, you can just reuse them. You wash them out and reuse them. Okay guys, so I'm going to give this one more torch and I'll bring you in to have a closer look. I'm really loving this. I think that this has really turned out gorgeous. There's so much going on here. Beautiful cells. I don't know what that is. Kind of like a bird. You can see here with a beak. If you can actually see the little cells on its head as well. Beautiful, beautiful cells. There's some really interesting designs. I'm really having fun with this. I think it's really nice. And that kind of looks like a penguin. There's something else over here. I'm not sure if you can see it over here. And then look at him. Isn't that cool? It's even got an eye. And that I did not place there. It's a cell. Guys, thank you for watching. Please comment below and tell me, you know, what kind of a creature that is. It actually reminds me of that story, Jonah and the Whale, with the whale looking like that. Very childlike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.